says in the Skanda Puran when it's describing Adhik Mas, he said one of the specialities, I said yesterday, one of the specialities of Adhik or Purushottam Mas is that all the Devatas and Devis, their wives, they all come to Brajamandal. And the Devas enter all the trees and the Devis enter all the creepers. Pretty interesting for 1 month. And because no one's doing any karma kanda or any puja, this is called Mal Mas. Mal means dirty. It's a dirty month. Because if you do yagya, the smoke will blow in your face and you'll get all black-faced. Because Agni won't accept your offerings and no one's doing anything. It's interesting, you look at the calendar during the month of Purushottam, there's no appearance days, there's no disappearance days. It's like, it doesn't exist. So I don't know how this, I'm a little mystified how it works, but don't ask me for any explanation because I'm a village gopi. I don't understand these high points of time factor and all these things. But every year it comes and it just starts this day and it ends. There's no appearance, there's no anything. There's nothing in the Vaishnava calendar. But there's 30 days of reality. But it's real or it's unreal? Does it exist? Very. We where we were when we started. We ran for 30 days and came back. Hey, that time didn't exist. Very strange. So, but somehow for spiritual life, it's the cleanest month. It's not Malmas, it's Saf Mas, or Saf or whatever, clean. It's very clean and Shuddh month. So much benefit and blessings for anything one does in this month that's spiritual and transcendental, especially in the Holy Dham. So I can see a lot of fortunate people here. Some have come from Sweden and Australia, and these are far away places, cost a lot of money and a lot of time and hardship. And here everyone is to try to serve the Lord and get Adhik Phal, which means extra benefits, because we know that if we can when you're hitchhiking, you can walk to the destination, but if someone picks you up and carries you 10 miles, they'll appreciate it. So we're walking to Krishna Prema, the destination is Goloka Vrindavan. And we're walking along step by step, pade, pade, pratipadam.